Imagine fresh, homegrown vegetables and herbs thriving right in your living room. Aquaponics makes this possible. It's a fascinating blend of raising fish and growing plants, all in one system. It may sound complicated, but aquaponics is surprisingly simple and rewarding. You can create your own little ecosystem where fish and plants thrive together in perfect harmony. This method is not just about gardening, it's about sustainability and connecting with nature. It's about understanding the delicate balance of an ecosystem and reaping the delicious rewards of fresh, organic produce. Intrigued? Let's dive in and discover the magic of aquaponics. At the heart of aquaponics lies a beautiful symbiotic relationship between fish and plants. It's a dance of give and take where waste becomes a valuable resource. In a standard aquarium, fish waste builds up, making the water toxic. In aquaponics, this waste is pure gold. The fish happily swimming in their tank produce waste that contains ammonia. Beneficial bacteria, the unseen heroes of our system, convert this ammonia into nitrates. Nitrates, luckily, are plant food. The plants absorb these nitrates, cleaning the water for the fish. The clean water then cycles back to the fish tank and the cycle continues. This natural filtration system mimics what happens in a healthy ecosystem. It's a win-win situation. The fish provide nutrients for the plants, and the plants in turn clean the water for the fish.
Ready to build your own aquaponics system? It's easier than you think. You can start with a basic setup using readily available materials. Here's what you'll need. 2 containers, one for the fish and one for the plants. These can be plastic tubs, old fish tanks, or anything watertight. Grow media. This is what your plants will grow in. Clay pebbles are a popular choice because they provide good drainage and aeration. An air pump and air stone. Fish need oxygen. The air pump provides a constant supply of fresh air to the fish tank. A water pump. This pump moves the water from the fish tank to the plant container and back again. Tubing. To connect everything together and allow the water to flow. Fish. Choose a type of fish that is suitable for your tank size and climate. Goldfish and tilapia are popular choices. Plants. Leafy greens like lettuce and herbs do particularly well in aquaponics systems. Remember, this is just a basic list. You can always customize your system with additional components like grow lights or a timer for the water pump. Section 4. Building your aquaponics system. A step-by-step guide. Now, let's put it all together. Here's a step-by-step guide to building your very own aquaponics system. First, prepare your containers. Clean your containers thoroughly and drill holes in the plant container for drainage. Next, set up the grow bed. Place the grow media in the plant container. This is where your plants will live. Then, connect the containers. Use tubing to connect the fish tank to the plant container and vice versa. The water should flow from the fish tank to the plants and then back again. After that, install the air pump. Place the air stone in the fish tank and connect it to the air pump. Now, install the water pump. Place the water pump in the fish tank and connect it to the tubing that leads to the plant container. Before adding fish, you need to cycle your system. This means running the system for a few weeks to allow beneficial bacteria to grow. Once your system is cycled, you can add your fish. Start with a small number and gradually increase the population as your system matures. Finally, plant your seedlings. Choose your favorite vegetables or herbs and plant the seedlings in the grow media. And there you have it, your very own aquaponics system, ready to provide fresh food for you and your fishy friends.
Section 5. Reap the rewards of your aquaponics garden. Building an aquaponics system is an incredibly rewarding experience. Not only do you get to enjoy the fruits and vegetables of your labor, but you're also participating in a sustainable and efficient way of growing food. Aquaponics uses significantly less water than traditional gardening, as the water is constantly recycled. It also eliminates the need for chemical fertilizers, as the fish waste provides all the nutrients your plants need.
Imagine stepping out to your backyard or balcony and harvesting a salad grown with the help of your pet fish. Aquaponics brings us closer to nature, teaches us about sustainability, and provides us with fresh, healthy food.
So why not give it a try? You might be surprised at how easy and rewarding it can be.